Okay. So, and you guys can download the recording in the chat. Everyone, that is your responsibility. Okay. So every session will be recorded, and when I'm stopping the recording, you can see here the recording will be coming and sitting in the chat. You can see a today's session. Okay. So it is your responsibility to download and take care of your recordings to everyone. I'm telling. Okay. Like you maintain a Google Drive or something. Okay. So like this you can maintain actually. Okay. So put a folder in your G Drive like this. You can open a folder and like this you can maintain your videos. It's your responsibility. Okay. So let's start for today. Some introductions will go on. So and everyone, please ping your mail ID. Okay, so in the Skype chat, so I need the mail ID daily to send the documents. Okay, so just be pinging your mail IDs because even I'm not getting the name. Arun joined, and
Hi, yes, I'm joined.
yeah, I know
Hello.
Arun.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Aditya joined, Arun joined. Pramod, one more joined. I don't know the name actually. Who is live? Okay, let's start for today. I need to create a new. Repeat today's sheet. So before starting, anyone have anything to? Okay, I need to tell something. Okay, so this course duration will be minimum 2.5 months. Okay, minimum 2.5 months. I told already. Okay, and take it serious. Okay, for me, every class is important. Okay, do lot of practice, not little. Lot of practice mandatory. Okay, and Monday to Friday, mostly Saturday also depends. Saturday optional, but if class is there, you guys need to join. And if anyone is not joining, please update in the group accordingly. Please update in the group accordingly. Okay, he also joined. I don't know his name. Okay, okay, update in the WhatsApp group according to that today I'm not joining. So update accordingly, and please maintain a hand note. Very very important. I am telling for your purpose, nothing use for me. How much you know you are keeping hand notes, it is good for a revision in future. Very important. Prepare hand notes that will help you in the interview preparation. Because after 2.5 months, what happened? You don't know anything. If you are not maintaining rough hand notes, please maintain it. Otherwise, it is tough for your revision. Okay. And daily after the class, before coming to the next class, minimum 1 hour, at least 1 hour. Maximum, if possible, 3-4 hours more. That is your convenience. But how much more you are doing practice in the system is your training. If you are not doing this practice, I cannot help. No one can help. And don't tell me, sir, I am running your video. I am understanding with the hand note. That is basics. Main thing you should do practice in the system. Mandatory. You should do practice. If you are not doing practice, total training is required. I'm training very, very clearly. Pramod, you and all need to sit minimum 4 hours, Pramod. I told already. Minimum. Okay, you are
Sure, sure.
totally new recipe. Minimum at least 3 to 5 hours you need to sit. Okay. You need to initially to be a little tough, 1 2 weeks, then slowly you'll increase the speed. Okay. So please cooperate with me. Do lot of practice, come with doubts. The class will be more interactive. Anyhow, many people are aware of SAP. I don't have much issues. Arun and Dinesh and Siva and Arshad, many. This batch all are nearly with coming with SAP knowledge. So I don't think so. It will be a challenge. Maybe Pramod and I don't know his name. What is his name? I'm not sure. Okay. So your name, sir? He joined, I think so. Okay. Right. This is my request from everyone. Okay. Please be cooperative. Help me with doing practice and coming. There will be questions. There will be questions daily or alternatives. Okay. If you prepare that questions itself, if you prepare that questions itself, you can put 5 years in the interview. You can put 5 years, and I'm going to cover HANA also. This is very, very important points you all should cover, mandatory follow. Okay. If you follow this, you can put 5 years and you will get offer minimum. So daily training 2 to 3 months, 2.5 minimum certified. With me 1 hour. Without me, this is what you're told. Without me, you guys should practice minimum 1.5 hours at least. Okay. And you should have hand note. In hand note, keep 5 sheets separate only for questions. In the class, what I'm asking question to anyone, it should be in a hand note. This is your interview preparation, this interview questions. If you prepare this itself, you are 5 years. Openly, I'm telling. My people are there in most of all the MSCs. Accenture, 18 people are there. Really Accenture, 18 to 19. And random revisions. Yes, weekends you should do random revisions. Don't think Saturday, Sunday rest and all. From now, 3 months, no rest. I won't do class on Sunday, but you guys need to revise. And I'll give revision and all. I'll give every Thursday, Friday. Weekends, what revision practice to be done, I'll be giving. Okay. And tables, concentrate. You should do the tables and reports. Okay. So this is what. Please be cooperative and put efforts so the class will be more interactive. Okay, let's go on for today. These are my requests. That's it. Okay. So we are going to see about SAP. Okay. Uh, Pramod, I will do you some introduction later. Okay, maybe tomorrow because most of the people here are with SAP knowledge. So I will go into the SAP directly, not much. So SAP mostly all will know SAP system application and product and data processing. I'm not going much into it. So PM, plant maintenance. Anyone can tell me what is plant? Anyone can tell me what is plant? Don't think right wrong. Be always be interactive. Anyone can tell me what is plant?
It's a work location where the people carry out their work activities like maintenance or
Yeah,
uh,
you are telling from the
aligning things.
maintenance perspective. Okay, we instead of the word work, you can use the word my daily business operations, right? Because it is being used by all the modules. Plant is used by, am I right? All the modules.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So you cannot tell as a place. Okay. From the SAP perspective, yes, plant is a unit where my daily business operations are carried. Okay. Where my daily business operations are carried. Okay. Where I am getting my documents. That is issue. Good. I got it. Right. Okay. So plant. Okay. Also. Okay. Plant is the operational unit of a company. Okay, this is maintenance plant. Okay, plant is the organization unit where your business, actually production unit also not a very correct word, where your business operations are carried. Okay, where your business operations are carried. This is more on it. Yeah. So plant is the operational unit within a company code where your daily business operations, anything, finance activity, sales activity, quality activity, like that. Many modules are there. Okay, so that and all will be carried. So it is plant. Maintenance, keeping the system available 100% for carrying the production or the daily activities, the business activities. Don't see the spelling. I don't know much into it. After that, we are going to touch EAM also. EAM is enterprise asset management. Okay. So we are going to touch EAM also. Okay. Starting with PM basics and then we'll go to EAM. Okay. So this model is more into maintenance. Okay. So if I want to do my maintenance, what I need my resources. Always anyone, any questions, please throw your questions. Don't worry. It's your query. Pramod, mainly don't hesitate. Always be interactive. Everyone, anyone, I'm telling.
Okay, sure. I have one question. Like the
Please.
SAP, they have already planned maintenance. Again, why they introduced EAM, asset
They want
management?
business. They want business.
No, no, business is okay. What's the difference? Like,
Yes, many things are there. This is HANA with a few apps and many things, face based and many things are there. Many new things. Fury apps, mainly Fury apps and new things. Whatever future is only in HANA EAM only. With everything with Fury apps, whatever they are going to bring. Everything in apps only. They new features they are bringing each 6 months once. They will tell us simplification list. 6 months, 1 year, they will be giving new releases. That releases will come only in the EAM with the Fury apps. This is will be in backend. Whatever is going to come, the new things, everything will come on only in your Fury apps only. Absolutely. Even I want to learn. I should be every SAP. If you keep your life till our end life, you need to be learning because there will be simplification list each 6 months, 1 year once the new things will be coming on. No doubt at all. I have a lot of things to learn. I have a lot of things to learn. They are introducing many things. They need business. People need to do certification, new version, new certification. They need business and new functionalities used for the business. Okay. So to do your maintenance, we need resources, right? So that is called as work center. Work center is one or n number of people who carry maintenance, and it is not a place. It's not a place. Work center is one or n number of people, group of people who carry maintenance resources. It is called as work center. In PP, work center is called as missions, coming by the work center category. Okay, coming by work center category. Okay, that we'll discuss. 0002 and 0005. The category differs. Okay, and then specification. Okay, like when you are buying a engine, motor, valve, we will be giving the specification. In SAP, we will calling as characteristics. Along with that, we need to see class also. Without class, we cannot attach it to the technical objects. Okay, and then FL called as function location. Okay, so function location is your structuring of your objects into the plan, technical objects. Totally your structuring. That is called function location. Okay, that will go in detail later. Okay, this is called as your function location. Like this hierarchy setup. Hierarchy 1, 2, 3 will be setting up. So your total plan should be structured in this way. Okay, so this is called as your function location. And then your objects on which you are going to do the maintenance. Objects on which you are going to do the maintenance, that is called as equipment. Equipment is a physical individual piece of object. Physical individual piece of object, that is called as equipment. Okay, physical individual piece of object. Physical piece, individual one piece. If I have 1,000 motors, can I create one equipment? No. If you have 1,000 motors, you need to create 1,000 equipments. You need to create 1,000. Even if you have 10,000, you need to create 10,000 equipments because I need the maintenance history of each object. I want to know the cost I spent on the object. I want to know the resources worked on the object. I want to know the activities done on the object, the material consumed, still like that many. So I want to create equipments as a single individual piece. Individual piece. Physical object is called as equipment. This is the object on which you are going to do your maintenance. Mostly also on FL. Also on FL. This together is called as technical object. This together is called as technical object. This together is called as technical object. Okay. And then absolutely spare parts, very important. What is spare parts? Thomas, Pramod, what is spare parts?
Spare parts like the parts which we are using for the machines. A machine is like it's built up a number of spare parts.
Yes.
So
So in SAP, we will be giving the word bill of material. Okay, SAP terminology is bill of material. Okay, and it is of three types. Okay, equipment, FL, and material BOM. Any significance with the material BOM? Anyone or anyone hear the word construction type? Ega or Arun, construction type?
Bill of materials, I know, but construction type, I'm not sure.
Okay, we'll discuss in detail. Your material BOM is attached in a construction type field in your equipment or FL. Okay, so this and all are important interview questions that will be covered during class. Okay? And then item category, very important here. Material item category, stock and non-stock, very important. Okay, that we'll see just and then we'll be seeing the measuring point and measurement document. But measurement document is a transactional data, not a master data. Any comments from anyone on that? This is a transactional data, not a master data. What is master data, transactional data? We'll discuss in the coming days. Some people will not understand Pramod or some people will discuss it. Okay, measuring point is a master data, measurement document is a transactional data. And then we'll be seeing the task list, then the maintenance plan. So task list is nothing but the list of activities, the task I'm going to perform n number of times. I'm going to perform n number of times. So that task will be linked in the plan. Plan is my schedule of my work. Many things are there actually. Callers on schedule period, IP10, IP30, many are there. Many things we need to dig in. Okay. So there are three types of plan: single cycle, strategy, and multiple counter. Again, it goes into classification with time based and performance based. So many things we need to do. So these are the master data, and again permits. Okay. And strategy, IP11. Okay. So these are the master data of our plant maintenance module. These are the master data of our plant maintenance module. Any clarifications, Arun, Snega, or maybe you can bring some other things also. These are the main catalog profiles. Catalog profiles. So these are the master data of our PM plant maintenance module. Okay. Okay. So for promote master data means it is kind of foundation, you can tell. Okay. Under the building only, you are under the foundation only your building will come. Like that. These are the foundation, not mandatory. It depends on business to business. But we will be covering everything under that. So in the FL and equipment, we are going to see how to create a new category, status profile, view profile, object info, all the configurations will be covered. All the configurations will be covered. You can see the course curriculum. Okay. So new category, okay, reference, object info, view profile, status management, permit, everything will be covered. In master data, this FL and equipment will kill 2 weeks. At least 5-7 days. At least 5-7 days. Okay. Right. So before I told the plant, right? Shiva, Dinesh, anyone joined? Please give your mail IDs. I need from tomorrow. Whoever joined, please provide your mail IDs from tomorrow. I need to send documents. Okay.
Hi, sir.
Pramod.
And Dinesh, I
Hey,
have joined.
Dinesh. Okay. Shiva joined.
She also joined, sir.
Okay. Just ping your mail IDs here. Okay. Everyone
Okay, sir.
ping your mail IDs. Okay.
Okay,
From
sir.
tomorrow, I need to send documents. Okay. So plant we discussed in the top, right? We discussed plant. Okay. So anyone want to add something in the plant from PM perspective? Snega, anyone? Arun? Okay.
Under the plant, we'll have maintenance plan and
Absolutely. We have two types of plant, only for PM module, maintenance plan and a planning plan. Okay. These two plans are set up in 3 ways: centralized, decentralized, and partially centralized. Okay. So maintenance plant is the plant where my activities are carried and my technical objects are set up. Planning plant is for your planning of your maintenance activities, and planner group is created in only planning plant. Planner group is created in only planning plant. This maintenance plant and planning plant are set up in 3 ways: centralized, decentralized, and partially centralized. Okay. This will be explained with the configuration and why we are setting up this three with the configurations. I'll be creating a new plant. For the new plant, how to set up the maintenance plant and planning plant, how to do this, everything will be touched. Just to add, any plant created will be considered by the system as maintenance plant. Any plant created by in the system will be considered as maintenance plant automatically. That we'll discuss. That and all we'll do when we are going. Planning plant, we need to do the configuration. Maintenance plan, there is no configuration, only assignment. Planning plan to maintenance plan. This is also one of the integration. Planning plan to maintenance. That we'll discuss when the class is going on. That we'll discuss when the class is going on. Okay. And then there is no sheet. So this is about the higher level of master data. Oh, where am I writing them? My God. Fine. Issues. So this two will be set up in 3 ways: centralized, decentralized, and partially centralized. Again, for that, we need to some configuration location, plan section, planner group, object type, work center responsible person, certain all configurations. And in the equipment, number ranges, internal, external, okay, and your sub equipment will be touching, usage list will be touching, okay, and equipment PRT. PRT will be covering 3 types of PRT: equipment, document, and material. That will be covered. CV01N document PRT, and how to attach the document in the technical object, that is will be covered. Okay. For that, you need to set up the view profile with class and documents. So that view profile, everything will be covered. Okay. And yeah, work center HRMS, very important. Okay. This it is not here, but yeah, HRMS. And this I told now, centralized, decentralized, partial centralized will be covered. Organization setup. Interview question: client, company code, plant, maintenance plant, and planning plant. Okay. That we cannot do because it is a FI, but as a consultant, as a PM consultant, we should know what is the organization setup. So that will be covered. Okay. So this is about
just a
the
question, Rupesh. This I know company code will be configured by finance team, but planning plant also will be configured by finance team itself.
no. I told just now, Planning plant is our responsibility. Just now I told you, run the video and see. Planning plant,
Okay.
how they will come? It is only for PM. Planning plant, maintenance plant is only for PM module. Pramod, write in your hand note. Pramod, do you have your hand note?
Yeah. Sandy.
Planning plant and maintenance plant only for PM module. Write in your hand note. General plant is for all the modules. That is what I told to bring the hand note. Okay. Planning plant is our responsibility. Maintenance, the why no module will come in planning plant and maintenance plant. Only PM module. Please throw questions. I'm happy. Please throw questions. No issues. Over asking any questions, I'm happy. I'll be interested. People are asking questions. People are understanding the system. That is
Sir,
very
while you
important.
are, sir,
Sorry.
while you are telling all these things, we have to note down, sir.
See, today's intro. Okay, today's intro. Whatever you know, you note it. From tomorrow, when starting, I will tell what and all to be noted. I will be telling. Don't worry. Key things I will be telling. Don't worry. Okay. Today, whatever little things. This is your name, please. Your name,
Dinesh, sir.
Dinesh. Yeah,
Yes.
you can write it. Whatever, if possible, you write it. No issues. It's anyhow. While detail also, I will go. Why I told to promote this new to SAP. You don't know what is plant, maintenance plant. Just it will be if you write, you will remember that. That's what you people know some PM background. If you write, also good. I'm not telling no. Zero to SAP. You don't know what is. That's what it will be. Just some revision for you. Okay.
Okay,
Since
sir.
you people are in PM, you may know the terminologies. I think from Saudi, Kuwait, one I don't remember his name, whether he joined or not, I don't know. Okay, fine. Yes, this we'll see tomorrow. There are three systems: development, quality, and production. Okay, this is very important. Configuration done in only dev system. Configuration is moved by transport request. Unit testing is done in development system. Okay, TR is moved from one system to another system by release. T code AC09 is used for TR. Don't worry, no need to try this. We'll go in detail tomorrow. This and all. Starting from here, we'll go in detail tomorrow. Today is just intro. Okay, so no need to write much into this. Okay, where are we? Yeah, then we'll be going to start the maintenance. Okay, to do the maintenance in SAP, there is a process called flow called maintenance order. Okay, maintenance order. They will tell us routine order, many things. Okay, so there are different business process: corrective, preventive, calibration, refurbishment, corrective maintenance, general maintenance. There are 7, 8 business process, shutdown process. Okay, shutdown order, everything will be covered. In the preventive, your condition or predictive based maintenance, everything will be covered. So the steps in the maintenance order is creation, release, confirmation, echo, settlement, and business closure. Okay. Creation, I'm initiating my maintenance. It can be manual or it can be created automatically through preventive, like that. Release is kind of approval. Kind of, I'm using the word. I'm not telling approval. Okay. Release is kind of approval. With release, there are 4 conditions. Okay. With release, there are 4 conditions. One is your MM degradation, shop upper print. Confirmation can be done only after release. Estimated cost cannot be edited after release. These are the 4 conditions with respect to release step. Overall, it is the trigger point to start your maintenance. Trigger point means kind of, yes, the work can be started. Okay. So that is what release. Confirmation, my labor work completed. Labor work completed. Related to labor, I used a word. What is the word? Promote. Related to labor, I used a word. What is the word? Something I used. Work center.
Okay.
Okay.
Work center.
Work center. Labor or resources. You can write this also. Whoever want, you can write this. Okay. If you know, no issues. New people can write it. Labor or resources means work center. That maybe tomorrow will be discussed. Okay. And then the TECO. TECO means all my maintenance activities are completed. That is called TECO. TECO means all my maintenance activities are completed. After TECO, work order will come to display mode, but it can be reversed. It can be reversed. Okay. Release is the only step. After done, it cannot be reverted to CRTD. REL cannot be reverted to CRTD. That is not possible. Other than that, confirmation, TECO, settlement, business closure, all can be reversed. Everything can be reversed. In the means, if I do a wrong work completion, I can cancel by IW 45. I can cancel settlement. I can reverse my settlement. I can reverse my settlement. I can reverse my settlement. Cost can be reversed. Settled cost can be reversed if any wrong entry or something like that. And then business closure. Business closure. Okay. Aditya, had you joined? Aditya joined. I don't know.
Yeah, I have joined.
Can you give any comment on business closure? Why
Business
there is
closure
a
is the complete closure of your order, where you after that you cannot change anything. You can reverse business closure, but once it is done, that means complete your maintenance is completed for that equipment with finance and everything.
related to finance and the business closure. There is a word. That's what I'm asking. Related to finance, in the means, if the settlement is not
Settlement
fully
is
done, you cannot close your
partial.
business.
Yeah, we cannot partial. If partial settlement is done, you
You
cannot do
cannot
business
close your
closure.
order. You cannot. It will throw error,
Yes.
not zero.
Mhm.
You will get this balance is not zero. You cannot do your business closure. Absolutely, what you told, everything is correct. This is also one of the main point from a consultant level. I'm telling. That's what. Okay, business closure. If your actual cost is not settled and not zero, you cannot do your business closure. What you told is correct. I am closing everything. Absolutely, all my work I am closing with actual cost with zero. So this is one of the. So these are the steps in a higher level. Along with that, we need to see cost. Very important. Estimated plan and actual cost. And overhead, I will be touching. Overhead we cannot do, but I will be touching what is overhead cost and how the cost is coming for all the three, for labor, material, and services, when the plan cost and when the actual cost is coming. Okay, that mandatory will be covered. This and all are very important. Okay, that is what my coaching, not a just to create order and go. It should be a detail into depth. Okay, you should. That's what I told. You should put your efforts properly with me. That is what I'm telling to everyone. It won't be easy. Please do lot of practice, lot of homework. I will be very serious. That is what my batch go minimum 2.5 months plus. And costing, and then many things we need to go. Okay. So costing duration planned, actual and estimated. After release, you cannot change. Commitment cost, what is that? Will be touching. Okay. Labor cost flow. These are the three. Again, costing can be split into three: labor cost, settlement, and KOW. Okay. How the labor cost is coming? Very, very important with the KP26 activity type. And then where you'll be seeing the cost. Okay. What are the types of cost? And your settlement rule and all. Sender receiver. This is also entry question. What is sender? What are receiver? Sender only work order. In PM model, sender is only work order. Receiver multiple receivers, like your GL account, asset, WBS network, material, etc. And T codes for settlement and everything. Okay. And many things you'll be seeing. Settlement rule, receivers, and all this we discuss now. And still in detail on this and all will be covering. Costing will go 2 to 3 sessions. And your labor cost and all will be going into detail. Okay. Lot of documents are there. No issues on the documents. Any number of documents are there. You need to sit and read. That is the thing. See your documents. Don't think one folder. Everything will go. If you have 510, you will have ASAP methodology. Documents, lot of documents will be getting. You need to sit and prepare. Lot of effort, mandatory required cutover activities and all. And then we'll be going notification, types of notification, a breakdown process, mandatory. And we'll be going vendor warranty, linear asset, and MM integration, FI integration, permits, priority, shutdown process with revision, and costing MM, right? And then work order configuration, 2 sessions. Okay. Work order configurations will go 2 sessions. Okay. From the enterprise structure, work order configuration will go 2 sessions. Okay. And then these are the entry questions. Okay. Some 70 questions are there. If you know the 70 questions, yes, you can put and get offer. And then we'll be going with HANA introduction. What are the versions of HANA and what is HANA and what are the delta changes and Fury apps and phase base. I am also in the learning phase. I'll be covering 2 to 3 sessions on phase base. Anyhow, that will take 2.5 months to go to phase base and all. Okay. So that also will be covered. So object link will be covering warranties, vendor warranty. I already told PRT. Shop paper we need to do with the configuration, LAM. Okay, different maintenance process, notifications. What is, yeah, I will be touching what is web job, transport request, dump, everything will be touched. Okay, MM integration, F integration, task list, site of task list, in that group counter, profile configuration, component assignment with bomb and without bomb, PRT service attachment, plan, everything. Very important. IP10 and IP30. May go 2 sessions. IP10 1 session, IP30 1 session. Very, very important. This and all are the important point because you need to know how to set up variant for batch job deadline monitoring. That is very important as a consultant. Okay. And what is the program for deadline monitoring? Restart 20, calibration, reports, integrations, entry preparation. It will be always at the 7 when the preventive is starting. I'll be giving resumes at 70% of the course. Okay. You should start preparing your resume, and when the course is 70 to 80%, resume work should be completed. It should be reviewed by me. At 7, when the work order completed, preventive is starting, I'll be giving resumes. You need to prepare your model resume, and when the course is before 90%, resume work should be completed parallelly. Okay. And then you need to prepare your LinkedIn profile like S4HANA PM EAM consultant. I will tell you what to do, what to keep and all. ASAP, very important. That will be covered 2 classes with cutover activities, everything. This is my last class going on actually. This is what going on. Last 3 days today, races were going on. Okay. So very important. Rise-ups is very important from the IT perspective. Okay, today that is what going on today. Interfaces, Z reports, FS, TS above, Forest FS, okay, and rise-ups today it was going on. And ASAP methodology, all the types of projects will be covered here. Implementation, rollout, support, development, migration. So this will go near to 5 sessions. Implementation, ASAP 1 or 2 sessions. Rollout nothing, support maybe 1 session, rise up will go 2 sessions. So this will go 5 sessions. Very, very important. Very, very important for the technical job. That too here. Very important. Okay.
Just one question. Will you be covering how this will be handled in S4 HANA migration?
Migration. See, from the functional, no big from the migration. What is our work? There will be a T code to compare ECC to HANA. Okay. So with the T code, you will be getting the issues or the notes, what and all to be done, what and all the changes are coming. And from our perspective, lot of testing is there. Other than that, that's what I told. There are migration, yes, in a higher level will be covered that also. Higher level migration also will be covered.
Because plant maintenance project we are already doing. Our next step is to perform S4 HANA migration. So
That's what I'm telling. Migration from our side mainly into testings, and with respect to HANA, with respect to your version, which version you are working on HANA, for that and all, what all changes are there, what you are going to implement, how to implement. Okay, that is the main thing. And from data migration perspective, before data migration, there will be basis and above will come into picture. How to migrate data from ECC to HANA. So during that time, there is some 2 T codes. So with the ticket, if you execute the ECC to HANA, you will get the fields. This field you need to implement this node. This field like this. So that also will be covered. Migration in a higher level will be covered. We cannot do migration. We cannot do in the system, but theoretically from a higher level will be. From a higher level will be covered. Theoretically will be covered.
That is for how long?
See, migration, it won't go. Maybe 1 class it will go. Because migration is, we cannot do. Practically, we cannot do in the system.
Practically,
right?
we cannot do.
So, theoretically, what and all from the functional to be done and taken care. Anyhow, see, part of it, like your OSS notes, that and all will be covered in the support project. Okay. And what are the new changes with respect to HANA that we are going to do when we are touching HANA? So, this and all together comes into migration for you. Like your simplification list, SFW5, your business function activation, SFW5, that and all will be during HANA discussions. So, this HANA discussion voices, everything will come as together for your migration. From the functional perspective. From the functional perspective, I'm telling. Equal SFW5, business function activation. Okay, simplification list. Okay, so that tunnel will be covered when HANA class is going. Absolutely, that is mandatory. See, simplification, every simplification I cannot go, but a higher level ECC to HANA, what are the higher level changes I'll be covering? That will go to 2 to 3 sessions or 5.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Because if you see from 1505 till now 8-9 simplification, if you go, there will be under simplification list. For that, we need a ABAP or basis and all to bring some new functionalities. You got it? We need some basis, some functional modulars, that and all we cannot do. So, from our side, what can be done with the business functions, I'll be activating and I'll be showing the changes like your maintenance plan template, callers on with the date and factory calendar, your maintenance plan end date and counter date, IP30H, and your print before release, like still things are there.
Okay, okay. Fine, fine. Yeah.
Still things are there.
Okay.
As you know, again, SAP 6 months there are releases. Okay, so
Yeah, yeah. So currently we are in the latest release only, which is 2022.
22, 23 and all came, even 24 also is coming. 23 came
Huh.
already, I think so. 24
Huh,
0.
it came, but we are in 2022.
Okay, okay. 2022. Okay,
Huh.
okay. No issues. No issues. You can see these are the phases. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
on-premise and cloud. If you go here, you can see the phases. Just immediately, if you need, you can go to any of the few apps. You can see this is what I told. Cloud and on-premise. I told 23 came already. You told 22. 23 came already. In cloud, you
Mm-hmm.
have the 2402. This is what I told. But cloud we
Mm-hmm.
cannot do because we don't have the cloud system. We will not get in market.
Yeah,
We will not get
sure.
cloud system in market. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We are doing in on-premise only. We are doing in on-premise only.
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry. See, when you finish my training, if new things are coming also, how to take up and handle that, that knowledge you will have. Don't worry on that. See,
Okay,
every
okay.
version wise, we cannot take the simplification and we cannot go. You got it. Some will be depreciated also.
Uh-huh.
Some would
Uh-huh.
have been depreciated also. If we see confirmed job apps, that is still you can use now also, but it is still 2021. From 2020, from 2021 for confirmed job, you have the performance matrix job app. There,
Mm-hmm.
your personal ID should be linked to business partner mandatory. That's what I told.
Mm-hmm.
Will be covered. Don't worry. I am not like other trainers. Okay. So
No, no problem. Yeah, yeah, sure.
will be covered. Okay. I am not like other
Okay.
trainers washing my hands. Okay. I will be dedicated. If you guys are dedicated, I'm very, very happy from everyone. That's all from my side today. Let me know anyone have any open questions from tomorrow, the same time, 9 to 10:15, something will go. It depends. 9 to 10, minimum 1 hour, 15 minutes here and there will be there. So that's all from my side. Any other questions? Snake, Dinesh, Arun, Shiva, be free, be interactive. Any open questions? Let me know.
Hi, sir.
As discussed, I will be joining like after a month, as you already
No
know.
issues. No issues.
Yeah.
That's no problem. But very important when you are coming, anyone see that you are properly dedicating 3 months. That is very important. That is very, very
Yeah.
important. Dedication is
Yeah.
mandatory. Dedication is mandatory. Yes. Anything? Any questions from anyone?
No questions from my side.
Thank you, Aditya. Thank you. And everyone can discuss with me on the